Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we, of course, are the 1st of December, the first of the month. What do? We look at what is the Windows market share. What are the numbers behind Windows 10, 11 this November until we get to today, December the 1st. So as we are in the last month of 2025, this is the number that we've got, and we'll actually look at the numbers for this year also at the same time. So Windows 11 worldwide is now at 53.8%. It went down slightly, but these are variations within the margin of error. So 55.2 to 53.7 is within what is probably the margin of error of this of the global stats stat counter. It is not fully accurate. We know that there are some differences in numbers, so that's why we have these up and downs probably through the year, and it doesn't necessarily mean anything, but it's really the trend that we look at. And of course, Windows 10 went from 41.7 to 42.6. So it's kind of playing around with the 1%, 1.5% market share. That is the error, the margin of error of this test. So we can at least say that probably it hasn't budged or hasn't moved much. But we'll see as time goes by. We'll see also in 2026, many of the PC makers say that 2026 might be a good year. Although a lot of, we had HP that actually gave out numbers and said that actually the problem in 2026 that they see is that Windows 11 is not going to gain that much. So we'll see what happens with that. It's very interesting. But everybody pretty much agrees that Windows 11 is one of the Windows version with the slowest adoption rate, especially compared to Windows 10, which was way ahead at the same level, at the same time frame. So what does it look like for this year? Well, if we go back and to the beginning of the year, Windows 11 in December of 2024, a year ago, was at 34.1. So it gained almost 20%. We could say that it gained a 20% market share. So that is interesting, but it isn't groundbreaking considering that Windows 10's market share should have gone down much faster, and the fact that end of support should have pushed more people. But I guess a lot of people might have jumped into the extended support. 62.7 was the market share of Windows 10 in December of 2024. So that is down 20%. So basically, what Windows 11 gained, Windows 10 lost. And what we see here is that really people aren't necessarily moving on to anything else because the numbers would be very different if that was the case. So 20% up for Windows 11, 20% down for Windows 10. That's pretty much what happened this year. And we'll see 2026. And will there be a Windows 12? Will there be something that's going to mess up the numbers? That will be interesting to see, of course, next year, 2026. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.